The order comes in without warning. Time-sensitive, high priority. A mission that cannot wait. Somewhere in the Middle East, an urgent operation is unfolding, and this aircraft is the response. The C-17 Globemaster III stands ready. Massive, silent, fully fueled, loaded with equipment and personnel, prepped for an immediate launch. It's a symbol of American reach, built to bring strategic airlift anywhere on Earth in a matter of hours. In under 30 minutes, the crew is mobilized. Cargo is secured, systems checked, the tarmac is cleared. This isn't a drill, it's an active response to a developing situation. A region of instability, tension rising, and the need for rapid deployment has never been greater. The Globemaster is a giant 174 feet long, with a wingspan stretching nearly as wide. Capable of carrying over 170,000 pounds of cargo, this aircraft can deliver everything from medical supplies and vehicles to elite military units. It's designed to land on rough terrain, in remote bases, with minimal support, and it can do it faster than almost any aircraft in its class. Tonight, it will. Inside the cockpit, the crew remains focused, highly trained, experienced, and mission-driven. Among theme of female pilot, certified and trusted to command the flight. But this isn't about the crew, it's about the mission, it's about the aircraft, it's about precision under pressure. The engines spool up, a low rumble turning into a rising growl as 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofans prepare to push the aircraft into the sky. The weight on board is enormous, but the Globemaster was built for this. Designed for it. Born from decades of lessons learned in combat zones and humanitarian crises. Clearance is granted. The runway opens. In seconds, the aircraft begins to move. Speed builds. The roar intensifies. The wheels lift. At full power, the C-17 cuts through the night air like a moving fortress. It climbs steadily, nose pointed eastward, destination undisclosed, but urgency undeniable. Within minutes, it'll be cruising at over 28,000 feet, crossing continents with payloads critical to the operation ahead. This is no ceremonial flight. It's real. It's now. And it's part of a larger strategy that depends on speed, accuracy, and force projection. The C-17 doesn't just carry gear, it carries options. It delivers readiness. It ensures that when the U.S. military responds, it does so with overwhelming capability and reach. Whether it's special forces, armored vehicles, or battlefield infrastructure, the Globemaster brings what others can't when it matters most. Every system on board is optimized for mobility and speed. The aircraft can land on runways as short as 3,500 feet. It can operate from dirt strips and makeshift airfields. It can reverse on its own without a tug, unload itself in under an hour, and turn around in conditions where seconds mean survival. It doesn't need attention. It doesn't seek headlines. But without it, the mission doesn't move. As it powers through the skies above Europe, its flight path remains encrypted. It may be carrying personnel, or medical units, or classified gear intended for a critical handoff somewhere near the conflict zone. Only a select few know the specifics, and that's the way it's meant to be. This is the aircraft commanders rely on when unpredictability becomes reality. When strategy must become action. When power needs to move quickly, precisely, and without fail. By the time morning breaks in the region, the C-17 will have already landed, delivered, and begun its return to base or its next leg, depending on the evolving mission. It's not glamorous. It's not always seen. But it's always there behind the headlines, behind the operations, behind the strength of U.S. response. This is the C-17 Globemaster III, built to respond, designed for speed, trusted for missions no one else can handle. And tonight, like so many nights before, it answers the call. Quiet, swift, relentless.